October 7 deadline ended for exchanging or depositing rupees 2000 currency notes, the Reserve Bank of India came up with another option. People can now send rupees 2000 notes to specified regional offices through the Insured post for credit in their bank accounts or exchange them at the RBI centers. A triple lock receptacle form is available to people to deposit rupees 2000 banknotes in their bank account. RBI has been pushing for both the TLR and Insured post methods. It has mentioned that both the processes are secure and hassle-free. In fact, about 700 TLR forms have been received so far by the Delhi office of the RBI alone. Apart from the two options, people can exchange notes from the exchange facilities at 19 RBI offices. According to RBI, more than 97% of the 2000 rupees banknotes in circulation as of 19th May 2023 have since been returned. Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital to get the latest updates.